Now, for these 5x5 vinyl post sleeves, what we recommend measuring is the very top of your aluminum post stiffener down to the top of the 6-inch welded base plate. This measurement may vary slightly from post to post, especially if your space was not perfectly level. Transferring these correct measurements over to each vinyl post, go ahead and use a speed square and a dull pencil. Now, 2 quick pro tips before we cut. Number 1 being a friendly reminder in case you skipped our cutting materials video. This is probably the very first piece of vinyl that you're going to cut or trim on this pergola kit. And if you purchased a brand new saw blade, we recommend cutting a little bit of aluminum first, or even breaking the blade in on some concrete, just so you're not taking a brand new saw blade to the vinyl, as it has a tendency to catch or chip that material a little bit. Pro tip number 2 is going to be make sure that your blade is cleaned off of any metal shavings if you just used that same blade to cut your aluminum post stiffeners. Pro tips aside, we're ready for you to slowly and carefully cut your 5x5 vinyl post sleeve. Once again, you can refer to the cutting materials video in this playlist if you'd like to see that in more detail. Once cut to length, go ahead and slide your post skirts over the bottom end of each vinyl post. The bottom end is going to be the end that you just covered, reason being that these skirts can hide any imperfections in your cut lines. We want to put those on the bottom. Those skirts are indeed quite a tight friction fit. You're now ready to slide these sleeves over your aluminum post mounts. Go ahead and do so. And when you're all done, please make sure to check your vinyl sleeve is about 1 inch taller than your internal aluminum post stiffener. That extra inch on top of that vinyl sleeve allows the necessary room for your vinyl post cap.